Tianwen-1 is China's first independent interplanetary mission. The probe is currently in a polar orbit around Mars and is scheduled to deploy a descent module to attempt the country's first landing on the Red Planet in mid-May. Tianwen-1 will release its lander and rover named Zhurong from its position in orbit around Mars. Unlike most Mars landers, such as NASA's Perseverance rover, enter the Martian atmosphere on a direct course from Earth. So, why do we need Tianwen-1? Water doesn't currently exist on Mars's surface, but it used to. We know this from dramatic dry canyons and river channels seen from orbit, as well as minerals on the surface that only form in liquid water. Around 3 billion years ago, something happened to Mars' atmosphere, and most of the liquid water evaporated. But some of it may still be underground, safely shielded from harmful solar radiation that bombards the planet's surface. Could those ancient pockets of water contain life? Thumbs up if you are still with me. Drop a like for YouTube algorithm. Coming back to our topic, why do we need Tianwen-1? Tianwen-1 Mars mission's rover Zhurong will search for pockets of water using radar mounted on the rover. The European Space Agency's Mars Express spacecraft found evidence for subsurface water using radar from orbit, but this will be the first time a rover has searched from the ground. NASA's Perseverance rover also has a radar instrument. Tianwen-1's goals include analyzing and mapping the Martian surface and geology, looking for water ice, and studying the climate and surface environment. This China-Mars mission could also be considered a step toward an even more ambitious project. This probe benefited from China's engineering successes with its lunar explorations, and will in turn provide valuable data and experience to a future Chinese mission that would return soil and mineral samples from Mars to Earth, according to the Planetary Society. Despite the impressive advances made in placing miniature science instruments on spacecraft, only Earth-bound technology can date samples with absolute precision, reproduce scientific results, and verify the presence or absence of life in a sample. Only NASA has successfully landed and operated spacecraft on Mars. More countries exploring Mars and our solar system means more discoveries and opportunities for global collaboration. Space exploration brings out the best in us all, and when nations work together everyone wins. Unless China has some evil plans to conquer and occupy Mars. How do you feel about this? Express your thoughts below.